And it is a big leap, but my driving force was that his fans are eager to know more about him. Normally, people like Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, achievers Michael Jordan, and the others have biographies that are written about them. Hardly do we have self-help books that are written about them that point to lessons from their lives that people can apply to their own lives and also rise from where they are to higher levels. So I chose to write a self-help book, a motivational, inspirational book about Ronaldo. And it is a big leap, but my driving force was that his fans are eager to know more about him. And so giving insight about the way he thinks, the way he processes things, his level of discipline, commitment, his grit, his grind, his goals, not the goals he scored, but the goals he sets, the targets he sets that he wants to achieve, is an example for everyone, because in life, if you don't set a target, you will hit nothing dead on the head. So it is very important that you set goals for yourself, targets for yourself. And that's what I really admire about him. He sets targets for himself and goes after those targets, disciplining himself, paying every price. Does he achieve every single target? No. He has taken over 100 penalties, almost 200 penalties, and he has scored a lot of them. And with every penalty, his aim is to score. But does he score all of them? No. And that is life. You must set a target for life and go after it. And that's what I want to do with this book. That no matter what level you are on, you can also begin with little resources and make something out of your life by setting targets and then working towards them. And on a gradual basis, you will rise to a higher level.